Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to chat with my AI on Snapchat. Let's get started. The very first thing that we are going to do is to update our Snapchat account. We can do so by going into our App Store and make sure that everything is updated. Once everything is updated, we can go ahead and log into our Snapchat account. So once we are here, what we can do then is to click the message icon. So if you notice on our screen, we do have here My AI. So it only means that we do have an updated account. So just like for example, if we're going to open this, so that we can know on how we are going to use or to chat on this particular AI. So just like for example, kindly compose me an apology message. So just like for example like that, and we're going to click send. So if you notice, we receive a response from my AI. So we can also add instruction. Can you add more on this? So we're going to click send then. And basically, it adds more sentences on the particular message that was generated earlier. So basically, that's how we are going to chat with AI on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.